Yo, hello everyone. Webull is a popular trading app that offers an affiliate program for those interested in promoting their platform. In this video, we'll show you how to join the Webull affiliate program and earn commissions by referring new users. We'll walk you through the sign up process and share tips on how to promote Webull effectively. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. So, the first thing that I will need you guys to do is go to the browser and then go to the URL section and search for Webull. So let's do that, and as you may see, it is the first link. Click on it and then click on sign up, which is over here. Now, just choose to sign up with a phone number, or you can log in using your Gmail or Facebook account. So let's try to log in using our Gmail account. Choose my email, and then we have to link a phone number. So in case you'd like to add a phone number, it is not a choice. It is like a really obligation for you to add a phone number. So I will add mine real quick and I will be right back to you guys. And now, as you can see, I have confirmed my number. So let's put a password. Here, click and put whatever password you'd like to add. So I'm going to add here, here we go, and the same thing here. So here we go, and everything is fine. Click on OK, and my account shall be created. So let's wait, logged in, and then here is my account successfully created. And now all you have to do is go bottom here to check if they have the affiliate program in the footer. Most of the platform have it in the footer. As you might notice, we can't really find it. So just open a new tab and search for Webull affiliate program. And then, as you might see, here it is at webull.com. And this event, as you can see, is unfortunately ended. So you can go to Promotion Center if you'd like, and you will find it in the application itself. But anyway, enjoy commission free trading. So how to do commissions, you can click here to learn more. And anyway, zero commissions and no deposit minimums. Everyone gets smart tools for smart investing. So unfortunately, for now, the actual promotion or the commissions or the affiliate program in general has been ended. So you can't really get into that at the moment. It is closed. But for those in the future days who want to get into one of them, so this is how it looks like. So let me just close this. I think I'm going to do this, that, inspect, and I'm going to choose this and remove the div, and choose this as well and remove the div. So now this is how it looks like. So our regular promotion, every successful referral will grant you 2 free stocks, each valued between 12 to 1k or 1400. Successful referral, a new user uses the referee's unique referral link to sign up and make an initial deposit of at least $100 within 30 days of signing up. Bonus stock. During this promotion, receive a bonus stock for each referral. When you successfully refer 3 people to join us, each stock will be valued between $12 to $1,400. An example, you successfully referred Mary to join Webull. You receive 2 free stocks. You successfully referred John to join Webull. You also receive 2 free stocks. And as you can see, referral 3 friends gets 9 free stocks bonus stock added to each referral. So now we have added 2 to one friend, one friend, one friend. In total, you have here 6 referrals, but they will give you 3 add-ons referrals for you as a gift. How referrals works, share your unique referral link with your friends or family via email, text, or social media. Just click here and enter your email address, and then they will give you your own referral link. Right after that, receive free stocks when a new user uses your referral link to sign up. Open a brokerage account and make an initial deposit into their account of at least $100. And finally here, you'll have to read all the terms and conditions so you can be like in the same logic that you are working with. So you will be in the same road and have everything correctly settled up for you both. And now, as you may see, you can click here to invite people, successfully copied. So I can just click here. This is my referral link. I can just click on it and they will take me to a page where I can join Webull, and they will give me around 3 to 3k actual money. So get up to 12 free fractional shares. You can join from here today. And this is my account and etc. And for those who doesn't know how to actually make extra money using the referral link, I will show you now. So all you need to do, guys, is use Facebook ads and TikTok ads or Snapchat ads. These ads, guys, are super important to use. They are the most used applications on the world, which are Insta, Snapchat, or TikTok, and you guys will actually use ads in those applications. So imagine if you paid only $5 per day, your actual content or like ad will be shown for at least a 1k person. So this is like the minimum. You can pay around $50 per day and at least 100k person will be able to see your ad. And trust me, 100k, at least 500 of them will get to that referral link and they will deposit money and you will get some money out of that. And imagine with me, $50 and you will get in return 3k. This is unbelievably good and it is so easy to use. So make sure to actually get to that and start doing it because it is really important to actually do that. And there is actually some side companies that will do some referral links for Webull as well. For example, this Lemonades app, you can just click here to apply now, and they will give you kind of a percentage of their affiliate link. So basically, I will explain to you here in pens. So this lemonade company, so this is lemonade company. Let's do this. X is actually having a referral link. So they have this URL link. That with it, they are going to earn money. But instead of doing the promotion, which is here, they will have promotion process. So promotion, they are not actually going to do this promotion process by their own. But what's gonna really happen is they are going to have the URL. So here we go. Give it to you. And you are going to do the promotion. And then you are going to earn the money. But of course, you will not get all the money. They will get a payout. So it's going to be a 50-50 or like, I don't know. It depends on the agreement that you both made with each other. So these are some applications that actually does it, but I highly not recommend you to do that. I highly recommend you by your own to make advertisement for your own referral link and start making your own money, not getting help from other applications or platforms. So yeah guys, thanks a lot for watching and see you guys in the next video.